In this tutorial, we will review how to create and post a job internally to Jabs. Click the Jobs tab at the top of the page. Search for an existing job that is performing well with a similar title. Click the down arrow at the right for the job you want to duplicate. Then select Clone Job under the drop-down. In the Job Posting tab, go line by line and be sure that all the information is correct. For the job title, enter the title of the job that will appear on the job board. For hiring workflow, leave as standard workflow unless a custom workflow is desired. Leave the internal job code blank. For department or business unit, enter the specific territory number. This is a critical step. For example, we will use the territory number 101 for Dayton, Ohio. In the employment type box, enter part or full-time. Consult the client for the correct employment type. Under minimum experience, consult the client. We will select entry level for our example. For the job description, be sure to update this and remove anything associated with another location and/or a different position. The copy text from the previous job is a starting point only. Since we use Dayton, Ohio as our location example, we will delete the Anchorage address and replace it with the Dayton, Ohio address. Under salary range, leave blank. Leave job ID as is. Leave EE01 job category blank and leave job notes blank. For job syndication, select yes, or the job will not show up on job boards like Indeed. For careers website, also select yes, where the job will not show on the job widget. Leave public search on yes. Click Create Job in the lower right of the page to get started. Click to the Job Application tab. Consult with the client to determine the minimum required fields and questions for the application form. If you select the pencil in the box marked Candidate Profile Questions, you can select specific profile questions and check the red asterisk for the question to be mandatory. For example, a valid driver's license is checked, and if we select the red asterisk next to it, it is now mandatory for the applicant to provide a valid driver's license. If you want to eliminate a candidate who has applied to the position before and continues to apply when they are not qualified, click Create a Questionnaire and select the green box Add a Question. Then create a knockout question such as, have you applied to Comfort Keepers in the past 90 days? Select the box labeled Require an answer to this question, and in the Select Answer Type drop-down box, select Drop-down. In the Possible Answers box, type Yes and flag Yes. Below, add an answer and type no and add this possible answer. We flag yes because if the candidate is filling out the application and they answer yes to this question, then their answer will be flagged and they will be disqualified and sent an automated rejection letter. After creating the knockout question, scroll back up to the Application tab and you will see that it says, "This job application has one knockout question. Currently, no action is performed when a candidate submits a disqualifying answer." To the right of that, you will see Actions with an arrow pointing down. Click Actions, then select Auto Reject Candidates, and a pop-up window will appear. Under the Auto Reject the Candidate to drop-down, select Not Qualified. Under and send emails directed to the candidate, consult with the client. For this example, we will select 24 hours, meaning that the applicant will receive the email 24 hours from the time of the rejection. If it is necessary to set up a workflow, do so here. This can include automated emails or automated task creation for members of the hiring team. Note that workflows only work if the hiring team is going into Jazz and moving applicants through various hiring stages. Click to the Hiring Team tab. Deselect any hiring teams or hiring team members who should not be on the hiring team for this job. Select any hiring teams or hiring team members who should be on the hiring team for this job. I will add myself to this hiring team for the example.